Welcome everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So as you can see, today we are going to look into price action of Bitcoin starting with this harmonic pattern, so-called bearish Gately pattern. So if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, guys, and look at this bearish Gately pattern, even though we are seeing some sort of a pullback after price reaching the previous high of 2019, the price is showing some sort of reversal. And if you are aware, right now not only Bitcoin, also the traditional market, S&P 500, Dow Jones, they are suffering. This bearish Gately pattern is actually indicating the trend, even though there is a reversal scenario, right? But still our end destination is going to be the Leg D area. So this Leg D area is around 16,000 price level. So according to this analysis, bearish Gately pattern, which is playing out pretty solid right now, is actually indicating, hey, the possibility of price to reach the Leg D area is very high. So in this case, as you can see, the price is also heading to the upper direction, even though right now there is some sort of like weak rejection to the upside. But still, according to this analysis, next year around February to March, the price should actually be around this 16,000 price level. So let's see how this one is actually going to pan out until then, because as you can see right now, this bearish Gately pattern is playing out pretty well. And not only that, guys, if you also look at this price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, let me show you this very interesting chart. So as you know, this here is descending broadening wedge, and according to this descending broadening wedge, I told you guys our end destination would be around 19,666 area. So if you are actually looking at this price structure, this weak rejection here was exactly after price reaching the previous high of 2019, and you can see we got weak rejection after that. But if you look at this price structure in a whole, guys, this ascending channel, inside this ascending channel, how the price had been forming. So if you look at this here, from where the price actually got this weak rejection, and if you pull a line there, guys, inside this ascending channel, you can see this line which acted as a resistance, right? Resistance is now actually a very strong support, and after that we saw this price move to the upper direction. So right now, again, if the similar pattern is going to pan out, guys, this is actually indicating, hey, if the trend is showing some sort of a reversal, the price could actually come around this 12,000 price level and then make another new high, because you can see this here is higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern. And so if you look at this price structure here in a 4-hour time frame, according to this analysis, this pullback here is actually indicating, hey, the strength is getting weaker. But if you look inside this area, you can see this ascending broadening wedge, and according to this ascending broadening wedge, if there is a possibility of price to get a pullback, guys, this here with the help of this monthly CPR, this is where we will be focusing around, because you know how to calculate the broadening wedge. Even if you take this and look at this in an inverse scale, you can also measure the length in this manner, right? This is the point from where it started. This is the lowest point area. You can see breakout to the upper direction, guys. You will also see this price move, and in this case you can see it is also indicating right now in a 4-hour time frame, if we get a breakout out of this ascending broadening wedge, right, the price could reach around this 12,000 price level according to this analysis. And also we know at that price level we have our monthly R1 level. So this green line here, this is the monthly R1 support right here. This here is the monthly R2 support, and you can see the same monthly R1 support and R2 support. You can see here one example, price got rejection after reaching the monthly R2 level. Here as well, rejection, fake out, again rejection, but now you can see here the same previous rejection line is acting as a support for Bitcoin. So let's see if this support of R2, the monthly R2, is going to hold the price. Right now, if you look at this, as I've already said you guys, with different example, the price of Bitcoin is seeing some sort of a pullback. But if we switch this and look at this price structure in a daily pivots, as you can see, guys, in a daily pivot, with the help of this daily pivot, price is actually heading towards this previous high structure, indicating us that, hey, the price level around this area is one support. Looking at this in a daily pivot, so this daily pivot in a worst case scenario, if the price is going to continue to the downside, because in a daily target you can also look at this here, guys. So in this manner you can see all the way up to 12,000 would be the worst case scenario for today, right? This is the final target as for 12,000 price level. You can see that very clearly. But let's hope the price is actually going to hold somewhere around this area, because right now we do have some support lying around this particular level. So let's see how the price of Bitcoin is going to do, because as I've already said you guys, this is not just Bitcoin right now suffering. You can see here guys, for an example, S&P 500 is down 2.23%, right? Nasdaq is down 2.54%. So this crazy market could be actually pulling the price of Bitcoin lower, because even the gold is down 1.52%, guys. So guys, right now things looks a bit nasty, because US election is coming, and also in Europe there are lot of new cases regarding COVID-19, and now we might see another lockdown phase, and people are getting uncertain at this current stage, and you can see the result, right? So guys, this is what I actually see right now for Bitcoin. If you enjoyed my video, definitely hit the like button, and also if you're watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing off. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.